So, how did you hook up with Firewithin?
Yeah, so I was looking at the pizza ovens. I looked at the Mugnaiini. I went and visited them, and uh, Forno Piombo up in Napa. Also, I was
Right,
kind of
right.
was looking in California because I didn't want. I wanted to be able to go pick it up, and I wanted it local, and and Forno Piombo. They use individual fire bricks inside their oven, so that's that's why I went with them. And then he told me, Tony Piombo, he's like, so we use the trailer from Fire Within. And uh Aja is a lovely guy, and I suggest you go down there if you have the time and take his wood fired university pizza course.
Right.
And it happened to work out where I was doing a Colorado trip with my son. Um, and we did, we went to a few places in Colorado, and then eventually we ended up in Denver. My son flew home. I stayed, and I took the course. And I mean, they go through a lot of information, and for somebody that doesn't have any experience, I mean, it's really a well worth course to take because you get a lot of information, a lot of contacts, and just how you can make a go at it and
Sure,
make it
sure.
successful. Yeah.
So, wood fired university was kind of a game changer for you, and
Yeah, I mean, it helped out.
I'm sure not only did you learn a skill, but you made friends and you got relationships, and you got a lot of assistance getting up and going.